We all know that your IRA or 401k can invest in publicly traded companies, but did you know that your IRA could also invest in startups and venture capital funds? So for those of you that like investing in startups and venture companies, you love that high risk, high reward type investment scenario, you can do that with your IRA or 401k. There's been a lot of prolific, famous investors who have done it with the Roth IRA and had phenomenal returns and paid zero tax on the gains in those companies. Now, the concept of doing this is the exact same when you're doing a broker-dealer IRA investing in a big publicly traded company like, let's say, Apple. Instead, though, we're using that same retirement account and investing it into a privately held company that is a startup or maybe even a venture fund investing in multiple startups. Now, when we're investing in these privately held investments that are not publicly traded yet, you're going to need what's called a self-directed IRA, which is what we do every day here at Directed IRA. Now, to open your account, you will create a login, and then you will get into our Directed Connect portal where you can open the account. Now, you might use a Roth IRA, a traditional IRA, an HSA. We just say self-directed IRA generically here. But the account type you choose is going to be the account type you're going to use to make the investments. Now, typically, you're going to choose the account type based on what you want to contribute or maybe the funds you want to transfer from a broker-dealer IRA or an old employer 401k. Once those funds go into your self-directed account at Directed IRA, then they are ready to invest into the startup or to the private company. Now, as you're making that investment, keep in mind, you're not investing in that startup or that venture fund, your IRA is. So the subscriber or the owner on the shares is going to be Directed Trust Company FBO, your IRA. If this was me, it's not Matt Sorensen making this investment, it's Directed Trust Company FBO, Matt Sorensen IRA. So as you're completing your investment documents, subscribing to the fund or to the shares in the startup, make sure you're doing it in the name of your IRA, because we don't want this going to you and going to your 1040 and to your Social Security number. We want it going to your IRA account. Now, as there's returns from that company or there's a sale of the shares, those gains are going to go back into your self-directed retirement account, no tax on the gains, and that is one of the strategies many savvy investors have been using to grow and build wealth, investing in the assets that they know and believe in, like startup and venture funds. Now, you can take care of all of this online in the Directed Connect portal, or you can also speak to one of our team members. If you have any questions along the way, make sure you book a call. We're excited to help you on your self-directed journey.